way! Focus on the driving business! They're shooting at us!
Shit.
Shit! They've got a machine gun on the back of that Jeep! We should be okay as long as we keep our distance from it. I'm flying! Go faster, man! Come on! Yeah! Watch out, Leo! They're gonna run you over!
Aray.
Show your neck up close, you piece of shit! Apúrate! What a joke! Yeah! Get off the road, Leo!
Ah!
Anong driving yan?
I'm dead.
Holy shit!
Oh, buhay ka pa.
What are you
Banal na tae.
run you over?
Holy shit.
Oh, shit!
Ay, ako pa pala nag-control nun. Hey! Hey! God! Uy, screenshot! Nvidia gamitin mo ah. Para rinig boses natin na clear.
Ay, namamatay si Kuy.
Hoy, huwag ka mamamatay. Nako! Na-slow ako. Nasa bakahan. Bakahan ba to? Ano, swamp.
Looks like they stopped the shooting. They must be up to something. Keep going.
Ah.
Grenades incoming. These guys are crazy.
Aray ko po. Sa cave. Ah! Ouch! Wala na, patayin niya boss nyo.
Shit.
May loyalty ang mga... Aray!
Mierda, qué explosión. ¿Qué crees? Have to go back for Leo.
Ano sinasabi mo?
Leo, I'm coming.
Lemo ka lang
Air, nigga!
Get on the bike. Come on. Go.
Fast, nigga, run! Uy, ikaw babaril ka! Ikaw babaril, tanga! Eto, serious mode na. Serious mode na ako. Serious mode.
Ay, serious mo yun. GoPro na eh.
Serious mode to. 1000 FPS per second.
There's the plane. Leo, destroy the goddamn car. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See how many trucks do they have? Goodbye, sucker.
Hoy!
What are you doing? Go to the
Ay,
other
baligtad!
side.
Aray! Ay! Dito wala. Sa kabila.
Run into the warehouse to the plane. I'll jump
Ay! Ayun! Ay, naiwan!
Bobo. Bullet yung simula.
shit.
Hindi, serious. Planado yun. Ganun talaga. Ito na talaga.
Wala, yan, hindi wala.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Let's catch the plane now. Get me close
Putik
to
na yan.
the plane.
Tinatalsik ako eh. Talon. Kita mo yan, bawal sa MMDA yan.
Shit! That was close. You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Hey, Emily! Great flying.
You guys are crazy. Vincent, you're gonna have to pay me triple for this.
Got it.
Triple na.
Vincent, you're not gonna hear me say this often, but thanks.
Ayaw
You too,
ko
Leo.
ayaw gumana sana sa Team Link. Ayaw mag-connect.
You
Sa
know
phone?
what?
Oo.
I think I'm gonna write that letter to Carol. That's a great idea. Hey, Emily. You have a pen and paper? Wait, now? Why not? It's a long way home. You got anything better to do? Not really. All right.
Tapos yan?
Di pa.
Di.
Malungkot.